One of the very worst things that can happen to a boat is mold and mildew. They're both from the same family, so let's just call it mold for the time being. Unless you're an American, of course, in which case you can call it mold. I'm Alan Stokel, and this is Grampy Marine, a channel for people who buy, maintain, and love old fiberglass boats. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Mold grows in humid and airless spaces like your locked up boat. Let's look at a few pictures of mold and mildew. If you recognize any of these, you'll need to act quickly. Mildew is a surface fungi that easily can be identified as patches of gray or even white fungus that's lying on a surface of moist areas. Mildew is easily treated with store-bought cleaners and scrubbing brush. Mold, on the other hand, is usually a bigger ongoing problem, especially in boats. There are some treatments, if you have a large infestation, you can rent a fogger that will allow you to blow a solution of trisodium phosphate and borax around your space. The problem with that is that everyone must evacuate and all the areas to be treated must be open to the fogger. Be sure to protect yourself by wearing a mask, eye protection, and gloves. Some mold is toxic, so make sure you have eye and breathing protection. Mold allergies are typically characterized by sneezing, coughing, skin rashes, wheezing, runny nose, redness of the eyes, and even the onset of asthma. Over-the-counter antihistamine treatments like Claritin, Zytec, or Allegra may help ease the symptoms of mold allergies. If symptoms persist, see a health professional. Make any necessary repairs to the area and fix any leaky decks or cabins, and then do a second treatment. Allow the whole area to completely dry. You may want to speed up the process by using a fan. I have a great homemade recipe for a treatment solution. Email me at the address below for the recipe and full instructions. Okay, so now you have mold under control. Well, I got news. You haven't got mold under control. You've just sent the spores underground. They're still hiding in some spots where you can't get them, just waiting for the perfect moment for them to rise again. You'll need to stay on top of things. First, buy a dehumidifier and put it on your boat and run it at various times, especially during periods of high humidity. During storage, run the dehumidifier and do all of the following. Open up lockers and other storage areas. Stand up cushions and mattresses so they can have air on both sides and dry out. Fix any through holes or deck leaks so moisture is not getting in. Use a spray from time to time in areas you have seen mold before. I hope you've enjoyed this episode and found it useful. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. If you want the recipe for our homemade mold control solution, please email me at the address. I'm Alan Stokel, and thank you for watching.